Plan maintenance reminders before you move so you protect your investment and avoid deferred repairs. Create a seasonal upkeep calendar that maps tasks to specific months and aligns with local climate patterns. And start by listing all major systems, such as heating and cooling, roof and gutters, plumbing, electrical, and safety devices. For heating and cooling service, schedule a professional inspection and filter change every spring and fall, and set reminders to change filters monthly during heavy use periods. Check refrigerant lines for leaks and clean condenser coils with a soft brush. For gutters and roof plan cleaning in late spring and early autumn, remove debris by hand or with a stiff plastic scoop and flush downspouts with a hose to confirm proper drainage. Inspect for cracked shingles and nail down any loose flashing. Schedule a chimney sweep before the first cold weather fire, and inspect caps and flues for animal nests and creosote buildup. A mirror and flashlight can help you see the top of the flue from the attic if you cannot get a ladder up safely. Put smoke alarm and carbon monoxide alarm replacements on your calendar for every 10 years for alarms and every 5 years for detectors that use sensors with limited lifespans. Test alarms monthly and keep spare batteries on hand. For landscaping, create cycles for pruning, mulching, and irrigation checks driven by plant species and frost schedules, and plan mulch refresh every spring to suppress weeds and retain moisture. Set a fall reminder to winterize irrigation systems to prevent pipe damage. Common mistakes include waiting until a problem arrives, which creates expensive emergency repairs. Mitigate this by keeping a forward-looking calendar and assigning specific dates to tasks and the party responsible. Another issue is relying only on memory, which leads to missed seasonal items. Fix this by setting recurring automated reminders in a phone or digital calendar and linking each reminder to standard task instructions and vendor contact information. A third concern is treating maintenance as a one-person job, which causes tasks to be overlooked after a move. Solve this by delegating responsibilities to household members or hiring contractors for recurring jobs and recording completion dates and notes directly on the calendar. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around household maintenance and projects, and we make it easy to post work needs and find local professionals ready to bid. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share seasonal checklists, vendor experiences, and practical how-to advice so everyone can protect home value after a move.